Good morning, dear students. This is teacher Shubhangi and we are going to learn about rational and irrational numbers. In this case, we have already learnt about rules and points to remember, that is natural number, whole number, integers, rational number, definition of rational numbers, all we have seen yesterday. Then we have solved in practice set 1.1 how to show numbers, means rational numbers on a number line. Okay, this example we have seen, this example we have seen, this is also okay. Then we have done evaluation as well. Okay, now it's a time to learn about uh, comparing two rational numbers, how to compare two rational numbers. For example, here if a upon b and c upon d are rational number such that b and d are positive. Okay, so if a upon d, a into d is smaller than b into c, okay, then a upon b is smaller than c upon d. These are just rules. Okay, these are just listen to these rules and then we will do sums on the basis of these rules. So if a into d is smaller than b upon c, for example, if a upon b is there, if a upon b is there, and similarly c upon d is there. Okay, a upon b is there and c upon d is there. Okay, so if a into d, अगर हम क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, if a into d is smaller than, a into d is smaller than b into c, then a upon b is smaller than c upon d. Okay, now again in this case, a into d is equal to b into c. Okay, if this a into d is equal to b into c, then a upon b is equal to c upon d. Then if a into d is greater than b into c, then a upon b greater than c upon d. So these are the rules. Okay. Now compare the following numbers: -7, -2. Okay, -7, -2. If you remember, children, we have learned about numbers, positive numbers and negative numbers. So if this is -7 and if this is -2, if we see at the number line, if we see to the number line, तो अगर हम right hand side में जाते हैं number line के, let me see you. If this is a number line, okay, this is a number line, and if we'll plot here 2, if we plot here 0, then here 1, then here for example, then for example 3. Okay, and if we go to the left hand side, here it will come -1, if here it will come -2, if here it will come -3. Okay, if here it will come -3. So if we goes to the right hand side, if we goes to the right hand side, okay, these numbers are greater than negative numbers, correct? 2 is greater than 1, है ना, जैसे हम right hand side में जाते हैं, ठीक है, so 2 is greater than 1, 5 is greater than 3, कि जो भी लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में नंबर छूटते हैं वो कैसे होते हैं, स्मॉलर, है ना. If we goes forward, so 5 is greater than 3, 7 is greater than 5, 10 is greater than 7, right? तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड के जो नंबर है that would be smaller, that are always smaller, and the right hand side numbers are always greater. Okay, 7 will always be greater than 5, 5 will always be greater than 3. Yes, so similarly this -1, so -1 is to the right hand side of -2, है ना. -2 से पहले कौन आता है यहाँ पे, -1, तो -1 will always be greater than -2. ठीक है, पॉजिटिव नंबर्स में 7 is greater than 2, but negative numbers में this -2 is greater than -7. This -2 is greater than -7. So if we compare these -7 and -2, so this -2 is always greater than -7. Why? Because -2 comes to the right hand side of -7. Here everyone, समझ में आ रहा है? अगर हम पॉजिटिव नंबर लेते थे, फॉर एग्जाम्पल 7 and 2, तो which number would be bigger, 7 or 2? Which number? Let me know in chat box. If we compare this positive 7 and positive 2, so which number would be greater, either 7 or 2? 7 obviously. Okay, 2 greater रहेगा कि 7 greater रहेगा? 7 greater रहेगा, because 7 is positive and 2 is also positive, but 7 is bigger than 2, so we will put this bigger sign O towards 7. 7 is bigger than 2. 7 is bigger than 2. We'll put bigger sign towards 7. 7 is bigger than 2. But if we compare this -7 and this -2, so sorry. If we compare this -7 and -2, so which number would be bigger, -2 or -7? Let me know in chat box. As I have told you, -7 is bigger or -2 is bigger? -2 is bigger than -7. Okay, because -2, this number is there to the right hand side of the -7. So -2 is bigger than -7. Now here, if we compare 0 and -9/5. So which number would be bigger, 0 or -9/5? Yes, let me know in chat box which number would be bigger, either 0 or -9/5. Very good. Everyone is given the right answer. Everyone is giving the right answer. Okay. 0 would be bigger than 9/5. -9/5. Why? Because नेगेटिव नंबर्स जो है वो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में, 0 जो आता है वो राइट हैंड साइड में आता है -9/5 के. अगर आप नंबर लाइन देखते हो तो 0 यहाँ पे आता है, तो 0 is always greater than negative numbers. 0 is always greater than negative numbers. Jay Kharade, don't laugh. Don't laugh if any misbehavior is not be considered. Okay, is not be considered. Understood? So be attentive and concentrate what the teacher is trying to say. Don't laugh and don't look here and there. Similarly, who is this? Harshvardhan, you also pay attention in the class. Okay, now here 0 is always greater than -9/5, because 0 will always be greater than negative numbers. 0 will always be greater than negative numbers. Now one rule keep in your mind, that 0 is always greater than negative numbers. ठीक है, negative numbers से 0 ये हमेशा greater रहेगा. Positive numbers are always greater than 0 and negative numbers. ठीक है, तो 0 से positive numbers always be greater. Okay, now here once again one question is there. -5/4 is bigger or 1/4 is bigger? ठीक है, -5/4 is bigger or 1/4 is bigger? So which number would be bigger, -5/4 or 1/4? So this number, ये -5/4 है, ये नेगेटिव नंबर है, और 1/4 जो है वो क्या है, पॉजिटिव नंबर है. तो naturally positive numbers are always greater than negative numbers. So which number is greater, -5/4 or 1/4? So 1/4 is greater than -5/4. So how would we write? We will write it as -5/4 would be smaller than, तो ये जो साइन है वो किसकी तरफ जाएगा, 1/4 की तरफ, because 1/4 is greater than -5/4. So this 1/4 is greater than -5/4. Why 1/4 is greater than -5/4? So positive numbers lie to the right hand side of 0. ठीक है. So negative numbers are always smaller than positive number, so that this 1 upon 4 is greater than minus 5 by 4. I hope everyone understood till this. Okay. नेगेटिव नंबर से जीरो ये बड़ा रहता है और जीरो से बड़े कौन रहते हैं, बिगर कौन रहते हैं, पॉजिटिव नंबर्स. आई होप everyone understood till this. Yes, show me big thumbs up if you understood till this. Yes, very good. Chaitanya understood beta? Okay, good. Now let's move to another slide. Okay, here minus 3 by 7. Just a minute. Now here we need to compare these two numbers. Okay, minus 3 by 7 or 1 by 7. So which number is greater? You only tell me in chat box. Which number is greater, minus 3 by 7 or 1 by 7? Option is this A and option B is this. Option A is what? Smaller than. Option B is what? Greater than. So which option is correct, A or B? आपको A और B में ही आंसर देना है. Okay, option A is correct or option B is correct? Let me know in chat box. Yogit correct, Riya, Radhika, Yash, Arya, Suryanshu, Sneha, you're wrong, beta. Vedant, Soham, Shubhi, Tejashri, Sanskriti, Ishant, Pratha, Sai, Abhishek, Omkar, you're wrong. Dhananjay, good. Sankalp, correct. Anushka, correct. Siddhi, correct. Purva, Tanvi, correct. Himanshu, correct. Ayush, yes. Tanmay, correct. Okay. Dev Kate, correct. So that means what? Many of the students have given right answer. Some have given wrong answer. So let me clear your doubts first. So here minus 3 by 7 is there and 1 upon 7 is there. Now minus 3 by 7 is the negative number, right? Minus 3 by 7 is negative number and 1 upon 7 is what? Positive number. So 1 upon 7 is positive number, minus 3 by 7 is negative number. So which number would be greater? 1 upon 7, that is positive number, would be greater. So which sign will be there? This greater than. So 1 upon 7 is greater than minus 3 upon 7. The students who have given this answer are correct. Okay. All the students, those who have given this A answer is correct, because negative numbers are always smaller than 1 upon 7. Okay. Ran, Gawari. Sit properly, beta. Have you given me answer? Okay. Understood this, Ryan? Okay. Now here minus 17 by 20. Minus 17 by 20. Minus 17 by 20 or minus 13 by 20. Now this is also a simple sum. Now give me answer in chat box. Minus 17 by 20 is correct or minus 13 by 20 is correct. Which answer is correct, whether A or B? Give me answer in chat box. Minus 17 by 20 or minus...
Suyash Sawant, be attentive.
Or minus 13 by 20. Which answer is correct? Okay. Good. Many of the students have given right answer. Very good. Radhika, Pratik, Omkar, correct. Ayush, Yogit, correct. Sanskriti, Pratik, Ishant, very good. Very good. Okay. So, see, minus 17 by 20 or 30 minus 13 by 20. Now, as I told you that here denominators are same, right? 20 or 20 denominator same है. तो हमें क्या देखना है? सिर्फ न्यूमरेटर कि minus 17 is bigger और minus 13 is bigger. As I told you, negative में जितना smaller number रहेगा वो bigger रहेगा. ठीक है? So minus 13, yes teacher.
टीचर योगित कुरेकर ही इज ईटिंग टिफिन, तो मैं उसको क्लास से ही निकालती हूँ, उसका लंच ब्रेकफास्ट होने के बाद एडमिट करती हूँ.
Yes, Yogit.
Yes, Yogit. Is it break time in classroom when you are sitting, you are eating something? Yogit, raise your hand. I will unmute you. I have unmuted you, Yogit.
Yes.
Is this break time?
No.
Then why you are eating?
My mom gave me badam, that's why I was eating them.
So take a break and then rejoin once again.
Yes, teacher, remove him. As a clear instructions has
It
been
was given. It was given in the GBM clear instruction regarding all that thing we are watching, and you are eating.
yes, remove him. After when you
After 10 minutes, I will make you to enter in the class. Yes, Yogit. Now I am removing it. Have your breakfast, take the water, and then move to the class. See, student, this will not be tolerated. Now Yogit will be removed from the class. Teacher, I have removed Yogit. After 10 minutes, I will admit him. Others be attentive. अभी तो मैं बोलूंगी नहीं, डायरेक्टली रिमूव करने वाली हूँ क्लास से.
yes, teacher, definitely.
Okay, teacher, you can continue.
They must understand this. They are not kids now. They are grown up. They are in 8th standard. So minus 17 by 20 or minus 13 by 20. So here, if the denominators are same, so minus 13 by 20 is bigger than minus 17 by 20. Now here again, third sum, you need to give me answer in chat box. 0 is greater or 7 upon 10 is greater. Option is correct. 0 is greater or 7 upon 10 is greater. Which option is correct, whether A or B? A or B? Okay. Here also I am getting some mixed answers. See 0 and 7 upon 10. As 7 upon 10 is positive number beta. 7 upon 10 is positive numbers. So which number would be greater? 7 upon 10 only. Okay, so which option is correct? Option A is correct. So 0 is not greater. 7 upon 10 would be bigger number than 0. है ना? This is not, see, 7 upon 10 would be bigger than 0 because negative numbers are smaller than 0. But all positive numbers are bigger than 0. Simple. है ना? Negative numbers are smaller than 0. But positive numbers are bigger than 0. Okay. So here 7 upon 10 is bigger than 0. Now the question arises in this case, question number 4, whether 5 upon 8 is bigger or 4 upon 6 is bigger. So if here 5 upon 8, okay, 5 upon 8 और यहाँ पे आएगा 4 upon 7. So which number is bigger? Okay, now here the denominators are not same. See, अगर denominator same रहते तो हम directly बोलते हैं numerator रख देते हैं, ठीक है? So if for example एक sum हमने देखा था 1 upon 2, sorry. So एक sum we have seen one sum that if 1 upon 2 is there and for example 3 upon 2 is there, right? 1 upon 2 is there and 3 upon 2 is there. Now here, see, if the denominators are same, first of all, see the denominators. If the denominators are same, then देन लुक एट द न्यूमरेटर. ठीक है, अगर डिनोमिनेटर दोनों सेम है तो हम सबसे पहले क्या देखेंगे, फिर न्यूमरेटर कि कौन सा न्यूमरेटर बिगर है, whether 1 is bigger or 3 is bigger. 3 is bigger, so we will put here sign like this. Okay, so 3 upon 2 is bigger than 1 upon 2. But in such cases, if the denominators are not same, then what we will do? We will do cross multiply. Okay, what we will do? Cross multiply. अगर denominators आपके same नहीं होते हैं, तो we will do cross multiplication. So in this cross multiplication, which rule we are follow? A into D. A into D and B into C. A into D, B into C. Okay, A into D, B into C. तो ये 5 जो है वो हमारा क्या बन गया अभी? Just a minute. This 5 is becoming 8. 8 becomes B. 4 becomes C and 7 becomes D. ठीक है? So consider this 5 as A, 8 as B, 4 as C, and 7 as D. Now cross multiply. A into D means what? 5 into 7. A into D means what? 5 into 7. Here it will come 5 into 7. B into C means what? B into C means what? 8 multiplied by 4. 8 multiplied by 4. Okay. Here 5 into 7 means A into D. B into C means what? 8 into 4. Now here 5 sevens are what? 35. 5 sevens are 35. 8 fours are 32. 8 fours are what? 32. Now 35 is bigger or 32 is bigger? Which number is bigger? 35 or 32? Let me know in chat box. 35 is bigger number or 32 is bigger number? Which number is bigger? Just let me know in chat box. Which number is bigger? Whether 35 or 32? Yes, it is. So which number is bigger? 35 is bigger. So 35 is bigger. So A into D is bigger. So 5 into 7 is bigger. So that means what? A upon B is bigger than C upon D. A upon B is bigger than C upon D. Now A upon B कौन है हमारा? 5 upon 8. That means what? This 5 upon 8 is bigger than 4 upon 7. Okay. So how the state be written? First of all, write it as 5 upon 8, 4 upon 7, A into D, B into C. Now cross multiply. A के जगह पे क्या आएगा हमारा 5 और D के जगह पे क्या आएगा हमारा 7. B की जगह पे क्या आएगा 8 और C के जगह पे क्या आएगा 4. Now 5 sevens are 35, 8 fours are 32. Now which number is bigger? Just see, 35 is bigger than 32. So which fraction will comes bigger? A upon B is greater than C upon D. Okay, so A upon B is nothing but 5 upon 8 is bigger than 4 upon 7. Which number is bigger? 5 upon 8 is bigger than 4 upon 7. Okay, I hope everyone understood this. Let me share my whiteboard with you so that the concept will get clear more clearly. Okay, just a minute. Okay, the question is 5 upon 8 and here it is 4 upon 7. Okay, 4 upon 7. Now see, we have seen rules. Okay, so we will consider, first of all, we will consider this 5 as A upon B. Okay, and this C 4 is nothing but C and 7 is nothing but D. Okay, now cross multiply. हम क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कब करेंगे? जब भी हमारे डिनोमिनेटर्स डिफरेंट रहेंगे. If the denominators are same, no need to do cross multiplication because we will see the numerator and we'll compare it. But if the denominators are different, so what we'll do? We'll follow the rules. Okay, so A into D, B into C. So here we will multiply A by D. Okay, and here we will multiply B by C. A into D, B into C. Now A means what? A means what are 5. Just a minute. A means what are 5. So here we will write 5 multiply by D means what are 7. Okay. Now B means what? 8. B means what? 8 into C means what? 4. C means what? 4. Now 5 sevens are what? 35. 5 sevens are 35. And 8 fours are how much? 32. 8 fours are how much? 32. Now which number is bigger? Which number is bigger? Okay, which number is bigger? So 35 is greater than 32. That means 5 multiplied by 7 is greater than 8 multiplied by 4. That means A into D is greater than B into C. That means what? A upon B is greater than C upon D. A upon B is greater than what? C upon D. That means what? This 5 upon 8 is greater than this 5 upon 8 is greater than what? 4 upon 7. So in case if the denominators are same, what we will see? We will see whether the denominators are same. So we will see the numerator. As I told you, I have given you example कि अगर 5 upon 4 रहता है, okay, and if 7 upon 4 would be there, so what happened? We'll see first denominators. If the denominators are same, then what we will look? We'll look at numerator. Now here 5 upon 4 is there. 7 upon 4 is there. So 4 and 4 we know that denominators are same. So no need to do any cross multiplication. So we will see the numerator. Now 5 is the numerator here. 7 is the numerator. Now which number is greater? 7 is greater than 5. So which fraction would be greater? This 7 upon 4 is greater than 5 upon 4. But if the denominators are different, okay, so what we'll do? We will do cross multiplication. What we will do? Cross multiplication. So A into D, B into C. Now A means what? 5. D means what? 7. B means what? 8. And C means what? 4. Now 5 sevens are 35. 8 fours are 32. Okay. Now 35 is greater than 32. So A upon B is greater than C upon D. So that's why 5 upon 8 is greater than 4 upon 7. Okay. 5 upon 8 is greater than 4 upon 7. So where we do cross multiplication? We will do cross multiplication only when the denominators are different. Okay, understood? Getting my point? We will do cross multiplication only when the denominators are different. But if the denominators are not different, okay, if the denominators are same, so we will see the numerators and will compare only numerator, and after seeing numerators we will put greater mark by seeing to the numerator only. If 7 is greater than 5, so we'll put this greater mark to this side. Okay, getting my point? Yes, everyone understood now this? Comparing the rational numbers. Okay, we have seen as negative numbers are always smaller than 0. 0 is always greater than negative numbers, and positive numbers are always greater than 0 and negative numbers. So in such cases, you don't need to do any cross multiplication. You need to do cross multiplication only when the denominators are different. Okay, you never need to do the cross multiplication if the opposite signs are there. For example, अगर यहाँ पे 5 upon 8 है, okay, और यहाँ पे जो है -4 upon 7 रहता था, ठीक है, 5/8, और यहाँ पे अगर -4/7 रहता था, तो वी नो दैट नेगेटिव नंबर्स आर स्मॉलर देन पॉजिटिव नंबर्स, तो हमारा कहाँ पे जाता था, यहाँ पे ही जाता था। हमको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करने की भी जरूरत नहीं है, अगर एक नंबर हमारा नेगेटिव है तो। समझ में आ रहा है? ठीक है, तो पॉजिटिव नंबर्स आर ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन नेगेटिव नंबर्स। यस, क्लियरली अंडरस्टूड दिस? ओके।
Yes, Dhananjay Panda, what is happening with your fingers in front of the camera?
Okay, who are doing this? Dhananjay Panda. Behave like good students, बेटा। ओके, 7th स्टैंडर्ड में बोलने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है क्या कौन क्या कर रहा है, अच्छे से बैठते हैं सब लोग। हाँ, चलो, बिहेव लाइक गुड स्टूडेंट्स। हाँ, टीचर को अभी बोलने की जरूरत नहीं पड़नी चाहिए। ओके, बिकॉज डिस्टर्बेंस क्रिएट होता है ना लेक्चर में। ओके, नाउ here we have completed our comparison of rational numbers. Okay, we have completed our rational numbers. Now so in this way our practice set 1.2 has been completed. Okay, our practice set 1.2 has been completed. Okay, it's a time to do evaluation now. Okay, just a minute.